Hello, today we're going to see how to replace a rapid intervention kit on one of our centrifugal pumps. This rapid intervention kit contains all moving parts of the pump. It's particularly interesting because it allows to repair quickly before making a point on the really damaged parts. The first step is to uncouple the motor from the pump body. To do this, you will unscrew the bolts and nuts connecting these two parts. Remove it once the bolts have been unscrewed. Then, unscrew the pump head. By taking gloves adapted to the pump product, you will be able to remove the parts one by one so that it remains only the lantern. The kit is now dismantled. Replace the new parts in the reverse order of disassembly. Replace the pump head and screw it back on. Then, reassemble the pump body on the motor and screw the bolts and nuts back on.